If you're a YouTuber or TikToker or you create Instagram Reels and you hate how long the caption editing process can be, but you also still want to create really cool stylized captions like your favorite content creators, well, this AI plugin inside of Premiere Pro will make it extremely easy, especially for beginner video editors, to make super nice stylized captions directly inside of Premiere Pro. I'm here with the founder and creator of the plugin, Danny. We're going to be teaching you how to use this AI plugin, and best yet, it's completely free to try out and download. Let's get straight into it. All right, so right now I'm here with Danny. Shout out Danny.
What's up, guys?
He's the founder of Plug and Play and Brevidy.
Yes, sir.
What is Brevidy?
Brevidy is our social-first editing plugin for Premiere Pro. Allows you to do amazing, highly custom animated captions, social clip extraction, can automatically reframe from landscape to vertical. Everything for social content creation, we packed into this tool, basically.
Sick, so like podcasts, you're editing short form.
Lots of podcasts, like if you were trying to like pull out clips quickly from your podcast, or you are creating a lot of like Reels or TikToks, this tool is like a comprehensive suite that does a lot of different features for social content, but the animated captions are definitely like our flagship feature.
So right now I'm inside of Premiere. To open this plugin, I just go to Window, I hit Extensions, and I click Brevidy. And the Brevidy plugin will pop up right here, and I can just go ahead. So you can see I have a raw recording of my tutorial. By the way, this is long form tutorial, but you can also do this with short form. I'm just gonna hit create. I'm gonna trim this down so it runs a little bit faster. And so the first things first is you always wanna set your in and out points. So in and out points, you can use the I or O key, or you can go ahead and set them right here, just like this, by clicking these buttons. They look like little brackets under your preview. And if you're a complete beginner, I'm telling you, this plugin is so easy to use. There's a giant blue button that says create. So I hit create, and now it's gonna load. The plugin is going to transcribe my video, and the cool thing about this is that this transcription is honestly way better than Premiere Pro's standard transcription, right?
Yeah, this is 95% accurate. Premiere Pro is like 85%.
Yeah, as you can see, I did like a really short clip right here. The cool thing is that you can see the captions start applying in this preview. Now,
so the text tool is going to allow you to like quickly reformat your caption. So if you go ahead and click on it, you go to like slide down like the amount of lines. So like maybe you only want like one line inside of here. So you can just type in one, it's going to update that.
Wow, and updates the entire, wow, that is sick.
One for one sync.
That is sick. And then what about this like camera icon?
Yeah, so that's gonna allow you to like quickly add like B-roll and stuff to your content. It'll like actually pull in like AI suggested emojis, stock videos, audio even, and put it directly inside of your timeline in Premiere.
Interesting. So if I'm gonna click on this camera button, I can hit suggest media, and now it's gonna take us to this page where we can insert videos, GIFs.
That's right, yeah.
Wow, this is crazy. Where are these GIFs, are these coming from stock libraries?
Yeah, so they're coming from Pexels, Pixabay, Unsplash, Giphy. The emojis are from like Apple, Google, Facebook, Twitter. We got a bunch of different flavors.
This is crazy, this is crazy. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and test out these emojis. If you wanna add emojis to your captions, let's say you don't wanna have to go through every single caption and like determine which emoji would work best, you can go ahead and automatically add emojis with just one click. So we're gonna go ahead and click emojis. We're gonna do the Apple one because I like iOS. Danny's on Android, but it's okay, we forgive him. And then what I can do is I can add additional context, like this is an educational video, and I'm just going to hit generate. And now what it's gonna do is it's going to generate my emojis for us, and it's going to input them onto our timeline. And just like this, voila, you can see it added a disc emoji. So there you go. We got a nice disc emoji.
So if you go and you can go and click up on the camera icon again.
Yes.
And then click on import pending.
Cool.
And that's gonna insert
sick. I see. Yeah. And it puts a projector on my face. Okay, cool.
Yeah. So there are options to like set where you want to position when you're generating it. Yeah.
Got it. Okay, that's cool. So now the coolest part about this plugin though, what I really think is cool is the fact that you can customize these captions like to the insane amount of detail.
Yeah.
The animations look really smooth and they're really fast and cut to the pace of your word, just like your favorite professional content creators. So Danny, do you want to just walk us through this, how you can stylize your captions directly inside of Brevidy?
Yeah, so actually like one of the best places to start when you're stylizing your animated captions is to click on the preset bar. And this is gonna have like a bunch of different pre-built presets that you can like hover on and see what they're gonna look like before you apply them. Just click on one, it's gonna like one quick apply directly into your sequence here.
Oh wow, it automatically updates the timeline.
Yeah, there's a one-for-one sync between what you see inside of Brevidy and then what you get inside of Premiere as well.
This is crazy. Wow, oh wow, this one looks cool. And what about the fonts? We're able to change the fonts as well?
Yeah, for sure. So if you scroll down here, click on font right there. This is gonna have all of your locally installed fonts that are on your machine. So
Yes.
if you ever wanna add new fonts, just install it on your computer and it will pop up inside of here.
Sick, sick. I think the coolest thing about this is that you can see the real result on your timeline as you're updating it.
And it updates super quickly. Like some different tools out there, like it takes a little bit to like render your captions and stuff. This will like update it automatically right inside of Premiere.
Yeah, this is crazy because it's basically like real-time playback in a.
Yeah,
this
it's
is
super fast.
This is sick. And then what about reposition? So you can see right here, the captions are kind of over my face.
Yeah, you don't want to.
So to adjust the position, you can go ahead and change the padding to anything like 10, and we're just gonna hit enter, and voila, just like that. All of our captions have automatically updated, repositioned to the bottom of our timeline. The craziest thing, guys, I said, this plugin is completely free to try out and test. No risk, check it out. If you don't like it, then cancel it.
Yeah.
If you do like it, then you have sick captions for your videos. So you can see right here, let's go ahead. Last thing I wanna do is I wanna change the color highlight of this text, because honestly, my favorite brand colors are purple and white.
Yeah, you can like start from a preset. That's how a lot of our users actually start, is like finding a preset that looks kind of like what you're going for, and then go inside and like customize the crap out of it.
Got it. So this blue text right here, I can
Yeah.
go ahead and change this blue text to purple or?
Totally. So if we go down here, since you highlighted those words before, it's inheriting this highlighted style right here.
Sick.
So we could change the highlighted style to be, you said purple, so let's go ahead and set that to be purple.
Sick.
And then for active text, let's go ahead and enable this. This is going to be setting the word to be a certain style or color or animation as it's being set. So you get this word level animations and timing inside of Premiere here.
This is crazy.
Yeah,
this is
dude.
crazy. Animations as well. This is a crazy part of
for sure.
one. You have some that spin, some that pop in. How can users go ahead and change and adjust those animations to be custom to their own?
Totally.
Like?
So it's really deep. You can go ahead and customize the crap out of this and have so many different levels of animation and styling. But if you go all the way up, let's go up here inside the menu. Let's go to the block animation. And so right now it's set to slide up. We can have an outro style as well. So as this block of captions leaves the scene, then we can have it like animate out as well. And you can fine tune the intensity of the animation, the speed of it, the type of animation. So tons of different options here. And this is gonna be for like the entire block of captions that are on screen. And you can also add animations for single words. Like as someone is saying words, it can animate those words as they're being said.
As they're being said. I would like to, so what I would like to do is I would honestly like to have just a little like pop on the entire block. Like yeah.
For sure. So let's go up towards the top here, and we're gonna go, so this is like for the block styling for the entire block of captions, this whole section here. So if you do block animation, right now it's set to slide up right there. Let's set the intro style to be, you click on slide up there.
Slide up. Oh, right here. And then we can go, oh, cool.
Yeah, so tons of different options.
Glitch, we got pop spin, we got, oh wow, they really went crazy with this. Dang, okay, wave. These are cool, and is it updating? It's updating live.
Yeah,
wow,
right,
that is crazy.
Yeah,
that is crazy. I think the feedback on like how fast it updates is really the craziest part about this. And you can also, of course, just adjust the intensity, speed, wiggle, even if you wanted. Super customizable. Like, you guys seriously have to try this out yourself. I can't describe this. How easy it is to use by just watching. So once we're done with adding these captions, they're already applied. Yeah. They're already done on the timeline. You don't have to hit any final buttons. It's super easy, and it's fully animated, stylized captions. With that, guys, that's how you can create super easy captions directly inside of Premiere Pro using this free to try AI plugin called Brevidy. Shout out Danny. He built this plugin all himself. Actually super talented developer and marketer at the same time. So really shout out to his plugin. And also, if you have plugins that you're looking to create, or digital products or templates for After Effects, he also made a platform called Plug and Play, where you can actually launch your own plugins or sell your own templates, and they'll do marketing, gets more exposure for your own templates and plugins. It makes it super easy. So if you want to check out any of these plugins, they're linked down below in the description. Shout out to Danny. You can find him at his socials at
brevity.pro or at Plug and Play on Instagram, TikTok, wherever.
If you found this video helpful, and if you want to learn how to use AI to automatically edit your music videos to the beat of any song, you can check out this video linked right here.